pipe across the battery. Yeah, that makes sense.
It wasn't across the battery. It was just on the power terminal. All right, let me put this on a tripod for you so everyone can see you.
And one day,
Scumbag this thing. Whole Granberries division will be Scumbag Garage.
We got a new exhaust.
Oh,
We got a new exhaust to us. Remember, cut big. Go home. Oh yeah, where's the eye protection? That's the famous last word.
Try not to cut it and cuss in it because it makes me have to cut off all the damn thing.
Oh, you just cussed.
Damn?
That's a curse word.
Yeah.
According to rated R, PG-13.
That's not true at all. Damn's not.
Yes, it is.
Is that?
It is a curse word.
Oh.
If your son says it, what you gonna do?
I'm not gonna do shit.
Don't worry, I get the breaker.
Hey, go get the breaker. I really need to change out this breaker, these breakers.
You need to switch up to a 30.
No, it's not. That's not the problem.
What?
It's the crap. They're the ones that came with the box when I bought it.
It's still D-square. It don't matter.
Listen, flip it again.
Okay. Now what? We only get one shot. Hopefully we didn't miss our chance to blow.
You know what I'm thinking now.
What?
I could cut this a different way.
What, and do well? It's gonna look terrible. Trying to do some custom weld.
That's the same problem we had before.
Yeah, let's go. I think we'll be alright with what we just had. Hello, new precious. Go to Hayes Racing if you need parts.
Alright, so with that camera, be careful when you're like spinning it in your fingers and turning it and wiggling it, because all that little wiggly here feel makes it ruins the sound.
Yeah.
Stupid kid.
Drill press and bandsaw.
Problem with this thing's all over that it doesn't go around.
You just put them up here.
Will they fit underneath the shoulder?
They'll fit right here. Yeah.
In the height?
Mm-hmm.
Probably. I mean, yeah, that'd be awesome. The only issue is we lose. I'd say we lose spots to put things, but it just gets covered with crap anyhow. So.
Either way, so might as well use it. Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I was gonna say I don't want to lose places, but then I was like, wait a minute.
You don't have places already.
Yeah, let's be honest with ourselves here.
You should be able to just slide that on.
I did.
So we don't have to.
Really? So
We don't have to weld it. Normally that's how they go anyway.
This just slipped on, right?
Poor guy. The guy who's getting the bike.
Oh, this thing's
Mint. Yeah.
halfway legit now. That's better than what you wanted to do. That actually doesn't look.
It looks stock.
Not
Yeah, you can curve the put the pipe inside the vise, and you can actually curve that pipe. The front of it will curve. Trust me.
I think it'll be better this way.
Just leave it like
The header.
We're gonna need the weld.
That's because you just loosened it all up. Yeah.
Or get a piece of safety wire.
Or we just put another clamp on it.
Where's the other clamp?
Well, if we find another clamp, you know what I mean? That's easy. But yeah, you're rubbing on the freaking exhaust now because it turned, I think. Yeah, it did. Let it cool down and I'll play with it. If I was to cut it right before that bend, that would bring it back. And we cut it right here.
It's too far out.
Is that too much?
Yeah, it's too. Well, right now this is too far out. The angle. You can't lean. It's fine how we have it. You can't lean the bike.
I'm just worried about the swing arm rubbing it.
I'm gonna run a line of swing arm.
Still gonna rub it, and it's gonna be an issue. What's wrong with that?
I don't know. Looks like a kickstand now. That could be your poster for this. You still are.
You know, what's wrong with coming up at an angle up?
I don't know.
Obviously,
What does that look like?
Bring it in a little more, but
That actually, if it bends in, it'll be perfect.
we can make it bend in a little when we clamp it.
Push it.
I don't want to bend it. Sorry, I mean, I can tack it here,
Right.
but that's
It's too,
too what?
it needs to curve. Like here, though, right here. If we could put a curve right here.
You can't put a curve in it. The pipe doesn't bend. Without a tube bender, a mandrel tube bender, because your tube bender will just cut it. It will just kink it.
Yeah.
But I swear I've seen them come out like this before.
They're straight. Because when you're leaning to the right, and you have it over, last thing you want to do is touch. What's supposed to touch first is this, not the exhaust.
No, that's pretty far up though. If you're leaned over, that's pretty far over.
We can bend that. I can make that tube bend.
Which tube?
The downpipe.
Also, what I can no, because that's not gonna. I mean, it's gonna kink.
Which it's fine if it kinks. It's exhaust. It's on the inside. It can kink, fine. It can. People do it all the time. Headers, when you put in headers, you got clearance on the steering box, what do? Take a hammer to it and bang it in. We're gonna bang on the inside to make it go like that and then come up.
Not how it's gonna work. So if you really want to do that, you cut a pie shape out the back. And you re-weld it.
That's how it works. That works.
Does it though?
That's perfect. Slide down some more.
Yeah, that's all she got.
No way.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's it.
That work.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, move your hand. The other hand. Yep. We tack it in just like that. Yeah, that's fine. It's close enough.
So what else did you bring over for this? Or was that it? Oh yeah. Are you gonna...
Scuff the frame and then take it all off with some sheets and get it. The only thing I'm painting right on is this.
What about the swing arm?
That's it.
You gonna take the tank off?
No, yeah, I could.
That's 2 bolts at this point.
It's really not. It's a connection, electric connection, fuel line, everything underneath it. It's not gonna be fitted.
Oh, it's not? Oh, yeah, I guess there is a fuel pump in there. Hard to turn on.
Uh-oh. That ain't good. Woo-wee! You're strong, ain't you? All right. All right. He's like, choo choo. Alright, let's see what we got here. Is that the magic number? That is the magic number. Hell yeah. Get right on off. Hello. Oh, box.
It's not gonna break.
Bend the brake pedal back.
You almost said brake pedal. But all right, let's see this.
Any other questions?
Is that good?
Yeah, that's right.
It looks like you need to. Shouldn't that bottom one be straight?
No, it has different levels.
No. I'm talking about.
No, it's angled down.
Is that okay?
That's how it's supposed to be.
I don't know. That's what I was asking.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that.
Okay, cool. And it's supposed to move this much?
No, it's loose. The
Okay.
bracket's
What
loose.
about this part?
Allen key. Yeah, that's part it's supposed to be.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, here.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna edit this whole part out, aren't you now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm that.
There's nothing funny about this part, so.
Right. See, when I'm right, no one knows.
It's because it doesn't matter. No, wait. Show me the progress you made.
Yeah, a little slight indentation. 7-inch canvas. Just a little bit more.
A little bit?
I just really want that, like, to be crushed angle right there. Another coat.
Oh my god.
Whatever. Once you put another coat on, it'll be fine. I'm gonna sand it and then put another coat on.
Now, do you want it to be all right aligned here?
Yeah, I want texture.
You do? Okay.
Because it looks so bad, I didn't want to paint it because we don't have the flat.
We could just sanded it down.
I did sand it down.
Oh, you did? And it didn't
Yeah, and
sand
it doesn't
out?
look. It sands down fine, but the black, if you spray paint or paint whatever black over top, it looks like shit.
Oh.
So,
But isn't that
Rhino
look
line
like
texture.
shit?
I'm gonna scuff out the runs and I'm gonna hit it again.
The tag that said Kawasaki and everything on it?
Yeah, it just said Kawasaki. It's not the VIN number.
I'm fully aware, but it was like the one thing that wasn't painted over by these idiots.
Guess what? It needed to be painted
Now
over.
it's painted over by.
You wanna know why I painted over? Because it was all scarred up.
Yeah, it's because it was the one thing that wasn't painted over.
It was scarred up. What do you want from me? Guess what? I still have a VIN number underneath here. That's all that matters.
Is that where the VIN is?
Yeah.
I thought it was on the front.
No, it's on the neck.
Right.